Hello, beautiful angels. It's Tessa of Akashic Soul Healing. Today I'm continuing with our topic about depression. And I also want to emphasize the medications that our Western society are giving us. I find it really ridiculous because how can you lift someone's spirit when you are medicating and making them zombie? Because that really is not as helping them to understand and to lift their spirit, because it brings them, over sedation. What are the side effects? You're overeating, you have this huge appetite, you're gaining weight, and then you feel alone. All this stuff that is worse than the state of depression. So really, we need to a healing therapeutic touch, therapeutic, wholesome, holistic point of view in treating depression. We need love. We need this belonging, that we belong, that we are supported, that we can do it, that we are able to overcome the depressed state of our mind and our emotions. For me, it's a state of mind and emotions. When we are able to see clearly that it's not a disease, it is a state, a temporary state, when you are going through dark nights. So if someone that you love is going through a dark night, you should be there to support, to listen, to validate. And I know there's also a really high or manic state, which is they become sometimes aggressive. But before we can go into that state, we need to know the triggers, the symptoms, the care plan. So as a nurse, I deal with this with my patients, and I want to assist and to help people that there is preventative measures in reaching that high state of manic by really tuning into your to your triggers. So I'm going to talk about the triggers and how we can help these people that are going through it. So a trigger could be when a person goes through stress. It could be death, if the trauma is about death. It could be abuse, if the person goes through an abusive relationship. So anything is a red flag when there's stressful situations and the person had to go through it or like revisit these stressful situations. So you need to really have a care plan for yourself, like going to nature, walking. You need to do some meditation, having hot bath with Himalayan salt, really taking care and loving yourself, having exercise to balance, to create this beautiful and adrenaline, the good hormones to uplift your spirit, to have quiet time for yourself, to treat yourself. So it's all about you, taking care of yourself, feeling loved and feeling safe. So make sure you have this care plan when you're going through it, and see how you can balance your emotions, your mental state. Stay away from negative people, being in your space of silence. You could also do some service for others, going to the nursing home and giving flowers. This will help you get out of yourself, your state, to uplift you. So I hope this will help people that are going through depression, and we can share knowledge, wisdom, and caring tips, so then we can lift each other emotions. And thank you so much for listening. Namaste.